Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to build a daily routine that actually works. These will be easy steps, so let's get right into this video. I'll be going over 4 simple steps. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so pay attention, take notes, and try these out, so hopefully you can have a better daily routine. So without further ado, we're going to start off with number one. Number one is start small and work your way bigger. And I sort of put as a note over here on my notes for what I was going to say in the video, I also put add on to it, okay? So basically you want to just start small, okay? And then work your way bigger and then add on to it. That's what I sort of mean by that. So start off with small things that you want to put in your daily routine. It doesn't need to be, oh, I'm going to work out for 2 hours every day all of a sudden. No. If you're going from not working out at all, maybe you're going to start small and you're going to just start off with a 10-minute workout. Okay, and you're gonna do that 10-minute workout every day, and then you're gonna get bigger. You're gonna add on to it. So maybe it's gonna be, it's gonna be a 20-minute workout. Okay, no problem. That's gonna be, making it bigger, and then maybe once you get into the habit of that, it's gonna be a 20-minute workout and 5 minutes of stretching. Right? That's gonna be, adding on to it and making it bigger. But start small. You don't want to just jump in and just add some crazy stuff to your daily routine. It's not gonna work out. It's not likely to work out well. So just start small and then just continue sort of adding on to it and making it bigger. That's the idea here. Moving on to number two. Number two is match your tasks to your energy levels. You know when you have energy, okay? You want to match those tasks to your energy levels. For myself personally, I seem to have a lot of energy about an hour into the day. Like about an hour and a half into the day, I have lots of energy, and then that energy dies off towards the middle of the day and the afternoon, and then at nighttime I get just a surge of energy once again, okay? So you want to figure when you have energy during your day and match up your tasks to your energy levels. If you have energy at certain times, put your hardest, heaviest, most intensive tasks around those high energy level times. So figure out when you have your energy levels at the highest and match the tasks that should require that energy level to those time slots where your energy levels are the highest, okay? Moving on to number three. Number three is make it realistic. It's all fine and dandy to think of these huge plans and to have these elaborate, huge things that you want to do day to day. Of course, that's great. It's great to think like that. I'm a big thinker myself as well. But you got to be realistic in the sense that maybe you want to think about like, okay, in the best day possible, I would do all of these things, right? But the realistic part is like, I'll be happy if I do at least these things. So make it realistic. When you plan your daily routine, have a minimum and make that minimum realistic. And then obviously you can have like a, oh my God, that would be amazing if I went over the top and I did all these things as well, right? So you can have a minimum amount, okay, and then you can have an oh my God or like a crazy, the most ideal possible amount as well in terms of your daily routine, what you want to do, the tasks in your daily routine, okay? So just be realistic, at least about the minimum of what you want to get done. Moving on to number 4, the last one for this video. Number 4 is use have to do's and want to do's when you're creating your daily routine. So like an have to do, I said unhave to do. That doesn't make sense. So I'll say it the right way. So for example, a have to do would be something that you need to do. You need to get it done. It is necessary. It is crucial. It is super important, right? And then a want to do, on the other hand, is going to be something it would be great if you got it done, but if you don't get it done, it can be pushed to the next day or the next week or the next month or whatever. Totally fine too. So have things that need to get done and then have things that, don't need to get done, but it would be great if you could get them done as well. And by doing those things that I just outlined, you can create a great daily routine that works for you, that works in general, that will lead to productivity, that will lead to success, that will lead to happiness, and so on and so forth. It's as simple as that, and that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.